This is why people think that Amazon is an easy business to start and run and have success with. And that is not true. Amazon is not an easy business to start. Basically, the people who think that it's easy are the people who've seen some YouTube ads in the past that have been shown by people that are driving Lamborghinis and that it's super easy and you're gonna make a ton of money really quickly, essentially selling a get-rich-quick scheme, which selling on Amazon FBA is definitely not. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication, and it takes a lot of time to build up. It's not something that's going to happen overnight, and it does, once again, take a lot of hard work, dedication, and time in order to have success and in order to actually build the business up to a point where you're making more than your 9-to-5 job. And so even if you've seen one of these ads by somebody driving a Lamborghini showing that it's super easy, unfortunately, that's not the case, and it will take a lot of hard work and dedication in order to be successful when it comes to selling on Amazon FBA.